Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are all doing well. I hope you are all at home staying safe. I'm sure you are preparing your lessons at home. Today, we will revise the chapter Air Around Us. The chapter Air Around Us. Are you all ready? Let's start. Air surrounds us everywhere. Although we cannot see air, we can see it move from place to place. Air has a particular direction in which it moves. Sometimes it moves very fast, which is known as storm. Otherwise, it blows gently, which is known as breeze. When air blows in a very high speed, it can change directions and blows kites, balloons, smoke, etc. Air is also very useful. It helps to move small boats and aeroplanes. With blowing wind, a windmill can move. Also, it is used to blow instruments like flutes, trumpets, etc. So, we see air is very useful. But if we misuse it, can become dirty. We can pollute air with our activities on our modern lives. Like air can be polluted with smoke from our factories, crackers, etc. However, in order to stay healthy, we need to breathe fresh and clean air. Plants help the air to remain fresh and clean. So, we should grow more plants among us to ensure good health for us and for our environment. Now we will discuss some questions and answers. First question we will discuss: what are windmills used for? What are windmills used for? Windmill is a device that converts wind energy into electrical energy. It is an alternate source of energy. It does not cause any pollution also. Next question we will discuss: what are the side effects of polluted air? What are the side effects of polluted air? Long-term health effects from air pollution include heart diseases, lung cancer, and respiratory diseases. Air pollution can also cause long-term damage to people's nerve, brain, kidney, liver, and other organs. Next question. Why air is useful to us? Why air is useful to us? Air is a very useful natural resource, just like water, and has many uses. The most important aspects of air is that it keeps all living things on earth alive by providing oxygen. Air is helpful to small boats and yachts to sail. Air helps us to play musical instruments like flutes, trumpets, etc. Next question. How do you feel the presence of air? How do you feel the presence of air? We cannot see the air around us, but we can feel its presence when the leaves of the trees rustle or the clothes hanging on a clothesline sway. Now we will discuss some more questions and answers. Question number 1. What is a storm? What is a storm? When moving air blows very fast, it is called storm. Storm is very powerful and it can blow anything that comes in its way. Storms are either caused by some sort of wind pressure created due to depression or other reasons. It can blow away mud houses or uproot trees. It can be very destructive and even lead to loss of lives and property. There can be different types of storms, namely cyclone, tornado, etc. India has recently witnessed several severe storms in its western and eastern parts, which ranked up to 130 kilometers per hour. West Bengal has witnessed severe cyclonic storm, which is known as Amphan, very recently. It blew at a range of 110 to 130 kilometers per hour. It has devastated both villages and towns and also destroyed many parts of the city of Kolkata. Lot of trees had fallen. Lot of mud houses in the villages were destroyed. Embankments near the river were destroyed, leading to flooding. It also led to loss of lives and huge loss to property and animals. So storm can be very harmful and destructive. Next we will discuss if there was no air, what would happen? If there was no air, what would happen? If there was no air, there would not have been any possibility of life in the planet. Without air, living beings would not be able to breathe and survive. Air consists of many important gases like oxygen, which helps us to live. Without air, the earth would not be habitable. Without air, there would not be the possibility of the presence of atmosphere, which is beneficial for life on earth. On the other hand, air helps various kinds of movements, including natural carrying of seeds from one place to another, which helps in germination and growth of plants. Our natural environment could have been a lifeless place without air. Next, you will do give one or two word answer for the following. Give one or two word answer for the following. I hope the following exercises you will be able to do on your own. Question number 1. What is the name of the gas we breathe in? What is the name of the gas we breathe in? Number 2. What is moving air called? What is moving air called? Number 3. Does air have force? Does air have force? Number 4. Give two properties of air. Give two properties of air. Number 5. What happens? We breathe in dirty air. What happens? We breathe in dirty air. Next. When do we feel air? When do we feel air? Next, you will do true false. Write T for true and F for false. Number 1. Air is found everywhere. Air is found everywhere. Next, the moving air makes it possible for you to fly your kite. The moving air makes it possible for you to fly your kite. Next, birds, bats, and insects can fly due to the presence of air. Birds, bats, and insects can fly due to the presence of air. Next, air contains dust, smoke, and germs. Air contains dust, smoke, and germs. Next, dirty air is good for health. Dirty air is good for health. Next, strong wind has low speed. Strong wind has low speed. Next, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Why do clothes hanging in the sun become dry after some time? Why do clothes hanging in the sun become dry after some time? Options are: the heat of the sun changes the water from the clothes into water vapor. As it is very cold, the clothes become dry. As it is very cold, the clothes become dry. Number 2. Which of the following cannot be seen? Which of the following cannot be seen? Options are: moon, air. Number 3. Which of the following is present in the air? Which of the following is present in the air? Options are: sun, germs. Next, which of the following makes air dirty? Which of the following makes air dirty? Options are: dust, moon. Number 4. A windmill needs which of the following to rotate? A windmill needs which of the following to rotate? Options are: air, water. Next, you will do fill in the blanks. Number 1. We cannot dash air, but can fill it. We cannot dash air, but can fill it. Next, dash is essential for supporting life on the earth. Dash is essential for supporting life on the earth. Next, air occupies dash. Air occupies dash. Next, we must dash in fresh air. We must dash in fresh air. Next, wind helps dash and other things to fly. Wind helps dash and other things to fly. Next, we should dash more plants around us to remain healthy. We should dash more plants around us to remain healthy. Up to here for today. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.